Our main goal today is simple: reduce the noise coming from our HVAC system and boost the airflow through the ducts. And we're going to do that by deep cleaning and oiling the blower motor. This furnace and central AC system have been going strong for over 3 decades, so they definitely deserve some love. There's a humidifier installed on the return duct with a bypass running to the supply duct, right above the central AC evaporator coil. I really want to check how dirty that coil is. Over time, dust buildup here can easily mess with the normal working cycle of both the AC and the furnace. The coil housing doesn't have a removable access panel. Luckily, I can peek inside by removing the humidifier bypass duct. Looking in from above, the duct and coil actually seem to be in pretty decent shape. The blower assembly sits at the very bottom of the furnace, and it's responsible for moving air throughout the entire house. Safety first, always. Make sure to completely shut off the power before touching anything. Next, I'll disconnect and remove the control board. Take a few photos of the wiring before unplugging anything so you know exactly where everything goes later. While loosening the screws attaching the blower to the furnace, I noticed a crack in the housing. This is definitely a culprit for increased vibration and noise, so I'll need to patch that up. Here is the blower fan wheel, and here is the motor itself. There are no external oil ports on this motor, which means we're going to have to disassemble it to get to the bearings. I'm using a piece of blue painter's tape to mark the alignment of the front and back covers so it goes back together perfectly. Before opening it up, let's clean the outside of the motor casing, which is looking a bit oily and greasy. Inside, the bearings use a felt sponge material to hold the lubricant. I'm adding about 20 drops of 3-in-1 motor oil to both the front and back bearings to get them spinning freely again. The fan wheel itself is pretty filthy. All this built-in dust impacts its efficiency and adds a lot of unnecessary noise. A little hot, soapy water and a stiff brush do wonders to clean it up. Now let's slide the fan wheel back into the casing. Direction absolutely matters here, so double check the rotation. Then we secure the motor back to the casing with its 3 bolts, adjust the clearance of the fan wheel and tighten the bolt onto the motor shaft. Before sliding the whole blower assembly back into the furnace, we have a rare opportunity to look straight up and glance at the heat exchanger. Honestly, it looks incredibly clean for a 30-year-old machine. With a little patience and planning, the blower is back in place. The whole system is now running beautifully, smoothly, and best of all, quietly.